Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day in my life. Yes, it's the birthday of our two little catty boys, our pets that stay with us. So, it's the time to celebrate it with a cake. I just wanted to prepare a simple and small cake in less than 1 hour of time, and so decided to do this Oreo cake. If you are a pet lover, you will definitely enjoy this video. Now let's get started. I have taken 15 Oreo biscuits and removing its cream, which is in the middle of the biscuits. Don't discard the cream, we'll be using it in the end. Transfer the biscuits alone to a mixer jar and grind it into a fine powder. To this, add half tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 50 to 60 ml of milk. Grind them for less than 2 minutes and make them into a paste. Now transfer them to a mixing bowl. While grinding the batter, do not grind it for more than 2 or 3 minutes to avoid elastic or chewy texture of the cake. Whisk the batter for about 2 or 3 minutes to get a fluffy cake. Grease the baking pan equally with butter. You can also use a butter paper if you have. And now transfer the batter to the cake mold. I am transferring only 3/4 of the batter and keeping the remaining batter for icing the cake. Tap the baking pan on a flat surface for equal distribution of the batter. Preheat the tawa for 10 minutes. Place a rim in it to avoid direct heat onto the cake. Place the cake pan on the rim and close the tawa with the lid. Allow it to cook for 30 minutes under low flame. Now using the cream taken out from the biscuit, I am making paws. You can also try doing something else too. After 30 minutes of time, check whether the cake is baked and turn off the stove. Then allow it to cool and transfer it on a flat surface. Coat the cake equally with the remaining biscuit batter. and finally place the paws on it. Hope you all liked this video. Try this at home and leave a comment in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vanslab, and also hit the ding dong button for more new video notifications. Signing off from you all with a small message. Don't treat animals as animals. Treat them as living beings. That's what they are. Until we meet in the next video, stay home and stay safe. And see you all. Tata, bye bye.